Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. Bitcoin coming up 5603 level, pausing, moving sideways for a bit, pushing up to the major cluster area, and then the prior swing highs, just coming shy of that, coming back down, sitting right at key support again, the prior GAN level, the rising 8. If we do break below that, we tested also the 87.5% retracement. Break below that, major support. Here was resistance. Major support at the bottom of the rotation zone, coming in about 55.50. So if it pulls back, that's the key level. If we drop below that, then we'll start watching for a bigger pullback. That means we most likely had a failed breakout then. Then we'd be watching for about 5,500 area. And then if we drop below that, 54.30 area. Now the same goes. We have these levels up here, which is our reverse GAN box. You could even, it's going to be the same levels at this point, even if you did a forward GAN box to there, they're going to just change by a couple bucks. So if we break above this 56.60 area, 57.34 and 58.10. Switching over to daily chart, you can see there's the rotation back up, and again that 5,500 with the rising 8, that's going to be a very key level of support that you'll be watching for if we do break lower. Right now what's interesting is this does manage to eke out a new high but does not get strongly push up. We could have another divergence setting up, which means we have waning momentum. Switching over to Ethereum, see we came up to our 173 GAN projection level, now coming back, holding right at the bottom of the rotation zone, actually weaker than Bitcoin. At this point, now you can raise the levels again. Remember, we're coming from here. If you wanted your minor levels, you could also just come to here. This is going to be the major levels. These are going to be the minor levels, and you can see if there's any overlap. Nothing really by doing that one, so I wouldn't use that one. I'd stick with your major levels and watch for 176 and 179 on a rotation back up. Now, if the rotation zone does not hold, really be watching for a close. If we close below this 37.5% retracement, about 164.70, then this again failed breakout, watching for a bigger pullback, be watching for about the 157 area. Let's switch over to the daily chart. Daily chart, again holding right at the bottom. We got this first minor across the rotation zone, but no clear separation. So if we get below this 164.70 level, we're back below the rotation zone again. The 50s coming in right above is about 158. So 157 to 158 is your next key level support for Ethereum. So we have for everybody on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.